Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Joseph, and as you've seen in the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I flat twist my hair. I'm starting off by taking down these braids. I did them the night before just so my hair stays detangled and stretched enough. If you want to try this out, make sure your hair is properly detangled. If not, the whole process is going to be extra stressful. Next, I'll be using this leave-in spray to spray my hair, just to give my hair some moisture, since I'm going to be manipulating my hair, just so it doesn't cause any breakage. Next, I'll pick my hair. My hair is already detangled, but you know typhoid hair gets easily tangled, so it's advisable to go in again to lightly detangle before starting the process. After picking my hair, the next step is to part my hair. This is the hardest step of the entire process, and honestly, I'm not very good at it, but I'm just gonna do it anyway. I'm using a rat tail comb to separate the first section that I want to flat twist. If you see me looking to the side, I was watching a movie just to keep myself entertained throughout the whole process. For the back of my head, I don't really stress with parting it perfectly. I just eyeball it because I don't really care if the back is neat. This style is just to keep my hair protected. I'm not really going out with it, so it doesn't have to be extra neat. I will say this, even without seeing it, I don't think I did a bad job. It looks pretty decent. After parting the section, I spray that section again with the leave-in spray and lightly detangle. Now for the flat twist. All I do is take two strands and twist them just like normal twist, but constantly adding more hair along the way. I know what I'm doing is not really visible, but there's a better view later on in the video. There we go guys, the first flat twist is done. The whole process is pretty straightforward, just part, spray and flat twist. You can also detangle where necessary. I really love this style because it's easy and it's a very good protective style. I'm done with half of my head. I'll do the rest off camera and get back to you guys. I'm currently on the last session and this is a better view of what I'm doing. Just crossing over each strand and adding more hair. You want to make sure you are holding down tightly so the flat twist is not loose. Okay guys, these are the results and to be honest, it doesn't look that bad. I think one of the flat twist I did is loose, but it's okay because I don't really have the energy to redo it right now. That's it for this video. Do to leave a like and comment down below. I'll see you in my other videos.